Good afternoon, students and viewers. Today's topic is refraction of light. So, what is basically refraction? Refraction is change in the direction of light when it moves from one medium to another. Change in direction of light when it moves from one medium to another medium. One medium to another medium. ठीक है? So, जिसमें क्या होता है ना? क्यों होता है ये ऐसा? Because the speed of the light is different. Speed of light is different in the different medium. When it is traveling in is different when it travels in different mediums. जब वो different mediums में travel करेगी light, तो उसका जो speed है ना वो different होगी. जैसे air में जो light की speed है, it is 3 into 10 to the power 8 kmph. So this is like this is a glass. So when light is traveling from this is air, and it changes its direction from here. तो इस तरह से ये change हो रही है. ये भी air है, ये glass है. So this is known as refraction का process. This is the refraction process of refraction. This is light, and it changes its direction. The direction is changed from here. So आपका causes क्या होती है? क्योंकि speed of the light के कारण होता है, ठीक है? Optically rarer medium. What is optically rarer medium? Means less dense medium, less denser medium. Dense नहीं है, less dense medium. So इस केस में क्या होगा कि speed of the light is more. Speed of light is more. Speed of light is more. ठीक है? In the optically rarer medium, the speed of the light is more, and whereas optically denser medium means more dense. More dense means like medium, and इसमें क्या होता है कि आपका जो speed of the light is less. Speed of the light is less. Speed of the light in optically dense medium is less. ठीक है, कम हो जाएगी स्पीड, इसकी कम हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे इसमें कम हो जाएगी, इसमें बढ़ जाएगी. रेयर है ना ये. And when the light moves from rarer to denser medium and denser to rarer medium, so these are the two cases that we have to study. So this is first case is like जब आपकी light जो है it moves from rarer medium to denser medium. तो इसमें क्या है कि रेयर मीडियम कौन सा है? ग्लास. इस केस में रेयर मीडियम है ग्लास, और डेंसर मीडियम है आपका रेयर मीडियम है एयर, और डेंसर मीडियम है ग्लास. ठीक है? When it is traveling from air to glass, so that means it is traveling from the rarer medium to denser medium. तो यहाँ पे इसकी speed will be more, and here the speed will be less. And then again जब ये denser to rarer, तो glass is more denser. So when it is traveling from denser to rarer, its speed is increasing. यहाँ से जब ये चलेगा, ये बाहर आएगी लाइट, तो its speed will be increasing. So जब हम rarer to denser जाएंगे, तो speed will be less. Speed less हो जाएगी, और अगर हम denser to rarer जाएंगे तो speed will be more speed. ठीक है? Speed बढ़ जाती है इसकी. So what are some effects of the refraction? Suppose this is a beaker, and beaker में आपको water है, और इसमें हमारी पेंसिल पड़ी हुई है ऐसे. So this pencil will be viewed like this. मतलब कि these are the effects of refraction. रिफ्रैक्शन के इफेक्ट्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? जैसे कि आपको जब पेंसिल हम इमर्स करते हैं इसमें वाटर में, तो दिस इज मतलब ऐसे करके पेंसिल ऐसे दिखेगी पहले, ऊपर जो वाटर टॉप के ऊपर है, और जो अंदर है वो थोड़ी टर्न हुए हुए दिखे. ऐसे लगेगा कि हमें एक पेंसिल जो है ना, दिस इज सपोज अ पेंसिल, एंड दिस इज ऐसे दिखेगी, जबकि वो असल में ऐसी है. In reality, the pencil is straight, but it is visible inclined at some angle. inclined हो जाएगी किसी एंगल पे. यहाँ से ना पेंसिल इसको ठीक से बना लिया जाए तो ये आपकी ऐसे ऐसे रहेगी, ठीक. So this is visibility is inclined. If the pencil is immersed in the water, so this is because of the refraction, process of refraction. Because when the light enters from air to water, this view of this changes. View of the pencil will change, and ये इसका view हो जाएगा. तो ये effects होते हैं. ये normal हो गया आपका. यहाँ से this is normal. This line is known as normal. And this is incident ray. And this is refracted ray. And so first law of refraction कहता है कि जो incident ray and refracted ray and the normal, they all lie in the same plane. Normal lie in the same plane. So सेम प्लेन मतलब यहाँ पे जो सेम प्लेन है वो पेपर का जो प्लेन है उसी में लाई करेगा, इसे बाहर नहीं. So this is the first law. So second law says that this I and this is R. This is known as angle of incidence. And this is angle of refraction. ठीक है. ये एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन हो गया, ये एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस हो गया. सो सेकंड लॉ सेज दैट I is equal to I by sine of R. This is equal to constant. Now this constant is known as refractive index. ये जो constant है इसको बोलते हैं हम refractive index. So there are two types of refractive index. One is relative refractive index, and another is absolute. Whenever light is traveling from one medium to another medium, this is applicable. One medium to another medium, so to another medium. This is applicable. Okay? Relative refractive index. And what is absolute refractive index? इसमें क्या है कि whenever light is traveling from vacuum to another medium, so this is applicable. ठीक है. ये दो तरह के होते हैं refractive index. तो ये हो सकता है. Now whenever light is traveling from like this is a glass, light is traveling from here to here. This is normal, this is I, this is R. So this is first medium 1, medium first, and this is medium 2. So this refractive index can be written also as refractive index is equal to speed of light in the I and speed of light in the medium 1. Medium 1 का अगर हम V1 मान ले, V1 by V2. First medium, this is the speed of light in the first medium. Speed of light in the first medium. And this is the speed of the light in second medium. Speed of light in second medium. Okay. So this is one. Now we move on towards the speed of the light का भी हो गया हमारा और refractive index भी हो गया. Now we move on towards the concave and convex lenses. इसके बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको. So we move on towards the concave and convex lenses. So firstly I will tell you about the concave lens. Concave lens होता है आपका इस तरह से, ये अंदर की तरफ है. Yes, this is concave lens. And what is a convex lens? So move on towards the concave and convex lens. So concave lens के बारे में आपको बता रहा हूँ. Concave lenses is like this. Okay. ये हो गया आपका concave lens. And convex lens is like this. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा ओवल शेप में. ठीक है. So this is the center principal axis. This is also principal axis. Principal axis. Okay. So whenever the light is coming from here, parallel to it, so they try to meet here. ये converge हो जाते हैं, converging, and here it is diverging. ये diverging हो जाएगा और we will put an arrow here. So this is diverging and this is converging, and ठीक है, ये फोकस पे जा रहा है, यहाँ पे फोकस दो साइड होता है इसका. So what is the principal focus and what is the focal length of the concave and convex lens? The focal length is the जो इसका एक सेंटर लाइन खींचेंगे हम लोग. ये सेंटर हो गया ना, सेंटर से this is center. So it is the center of curvature, center. Okay. So now we move on towards the rules for finding the image. Rules for finding the image of object. Image के लिए finding image of convex lens. Firstly, it is convex lens. तो यहाँ तो ये convex lens के लिए ये firstly it is this way. First cases, as with 3 cases are there. So case 1 is when the light is traveling to parallel towards the principal axis. This is principal axis, and the light is traveling parallel to it, parallel to the principal axis. So यहाँ से light आई है, so it will just fall on the focus. Okay. So this is the light ray incident. So this is the object here. So case 2 is whenever the light is passing through the center of curvature. This is the center of the curvature. यहाँ से light pass करेगी तो सीधी light pass करती है. ठीक है. और this is the principal axis here again. ठीक है. और case 3 होता है आपका when it is falling on the. This is the convex lens. So this is the principal axis and this is the center. There is focus पे जाएगी, focus पे. So when it is there is the focus F, there is the focus F. So यहाँ से जब light यहाँ से निकलेगी, पास होगी, तो it will just fall onto. Okay. So पर case 3 देख लेंगे हम. So case 3 is like parallel ray. Light will be parallel here. Okay. यहाँ से भी parallel जाएगी. So this is for the convex lens. Pass it towards the concave lens. More towards the concave lens. So there are a lot of rules for finding the images. Rules for finding the images and finding images in the concave lens. Okay. So case 1 is there when the light is parallel towards the light is parallel to principal axis. This is the principal axis. This is the principal axis, and the light is turning parallel to the principal axis. ठीक है. So इस तरह से ये पाथ की तरफ जाएगा. ठीक है. So case 2 is and it will be in the focus. This will be reflecting the focus. ठीक है. And then the case 2 is when the light is traveling towards the center से जब pass होगी light is passing towards the center. So straight center से straight pass हो जाएगी. ठीक है. Light is passing through the center. It will passing straight towards the straight हो जाएगी. ठीक है. Case 3 is again like when the light is passing through the focus. This is the center of line. This is principal axis. अब ये focus इसका यहाँ भी है. So whenever the light is passing towards the focus length, it will be parallel to the principal axis, parallel to the. ये outcome होगा इसका. This is a concave lens, ठीक है. So parallel to the this will be parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis, ठीक है. So this is over now. Now we found it. We have done this. We've done this. Sign conventions. Whenever we are taking this is in the direction of light, incidentally, the right direction of light. If we are taking the measurements, then it is positive. Opposite direction means it is negative. And upwards, it is positive. If you take the measurements in the upwards, and if it is taken downwards, so it is negative. So these are the sign conventions. What is the lens formula of concave and convex lenses? So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay? But object is always placed to the left side of the lens. So 1 by V minus 1 by U, because light is traveling in right direction. Okay? And object is placed in the left side. As object is placed in the left side of the lens, always in the concave lens. So object is placed on the left side, and light is traveling towards the right side. So this is the opposite of it. So इसलिए इसको negative ले लिया है. ये formula इसका बन जाएगा 1 by V minus 1 by U. So this is over now. And power of the lens होता है जैसे कि आपका जो eyes का जो power है, eyes में जो लगता है glass, उसमें भी power होते हैं. तो उसके हिसाब से ये power of lens इसके बनी. And it is 1 by F. So the power of the lens is generated by 1 by F, where F is the focal length. Focal length क्या होती है? Focus and center. ये जो focus और इस center से जो distance होगा उसको focal length बोलते हैं. जैसे कि इसके बीच में, जैसे यहाँ पे बना देता हूँ आपको. जैसे ये एक lens है, convex lens, and this is the center of it. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे focus है. तो ये focus इसके बीच में center के बीच में distance होगा, it is बस focal length. ऐसे ही जैसे आपका दूसरा वाला लेंस होता है concave lens. So this is the center. So center से focus. This is the focal length. So this is the opposite of the 1 by focal length is equal to power of lens. Power of lens. So this is over now. You have completed all the things. And if you like my video, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support. Thank you.